some rooting hormone powder at the lower cut to promote roots. You can use aspirin powder, cinnamon powder or honey solution in place of rooting powder. Make a hole in the soil and insert the cutting in it. Do not push the cutting. Secure the cutting by pressing soil around it. You can put 4-5 cuttings in the same pot. Now enclose the pot in a polythene bag and seal it at the top. This creates a greenhouse environment in the bag needed for root formation. Place the bag in a warm and bright place, away from direct sun. After every 10 days, open the bag and spray some water. Remove any fallen leaves. Close the bag again and place in shade. Roots and new growth in 8 to 10 weeks. When you see a few leaves, remove the bag and continue the pot in shade for 2-3 weeks more, giving a few drops of water on alternate days. Then allow morning sun for 2-3 hours. You can transplant the propagated neem tree in a bigger pot when there is sufficient growth. Please like and subscribe to the channel to know when the new videos are posted.